as difficult as it may have been, as painful as it may have been, he did it for you and for me. People have many ideas about Jesus, about who Jesus is and why he came to earth. Jesus said himself, he came to seek and to save the lost. He's looking for the lost. In Luke 19, we can read verse 10. When we gather around the Lord's table, the elements speak to us of his sacrifices, his substitution, and our salvation. We celebrate our redemption in remembrance of him. The Lord's Supper presents a powerful message of the gospel, and what a perfect time to give people an opportunity to receive the salvation purchased at the cross. Those who respond will remember that the symbol of the Lord's table spoke to them at their need and, of course, of Christ's provision.